Hi, my name is Michael and I am the design architect in NDF, Neilz Design Fitout. So when it gets to the process of design, we usually have a set of, I call it tasks that we follow through when we want to achieve something spectacular for our clients, right? And then it goes from meeting the client. First of all, we need to meet the client to know what they want, what they need. And often I've seen in different scenarios that clients are more bespoke. You can't make what you're making for this company or for this residential building for another one. You have to understand. So we have conversations with our clients. We want to understand what they're all about, what their life is, what their vision is, because we see design not just as a means to put our names on the map, but to ensure that every client is able to work or live in their space in order to fulfill what their vision is, what their drive is. So we want the space to build them on that and to help them also achieve their dreams, right? So we meet with them, we meet with our clients, and then we find out exactly what they want. We get the brief from them. After we get the brief, we come in and we do some research. We find out where some of those things that they need are in and around the world. You know, there's a famous saying that you steal like an artist. There's another saying that there's nothing new under the sun, right? And it's very important to note because you get things that would inspire you. You get things that, well, you can, let's say, copy from and just improve upon based on what you've discussed with your client. And then we work with that. So that's the research phase. So after we research, we go through the brainstorming process. We, as a team, go through what we need to do, how we need to put all these ideas together, and then we hit the ground running. We make our sketches, we make our concepts, and then we begin to hit the ground running. We use our design applications available to us, our Revit, our 3D Max, and then we produce something spectacular. Then we send internally for major corrections and then major approvals. And after we've done that, then we send to our clients. And most of the time, more often than not, 95% of the time, we actually don't even get a revision, because most of the time they are, oh wow, this is so good, this really speaks to what I want. Because we're not just looking to design based on our own identity. We believe that the very fact that you came to NDF is because you trust our identity, you trust our design style and our identity. So we're not just designing based on that, but we're designing based on what the client needs, what the client wants. So more often than not, we hardly get a revision. And even when we do, it's really very little. So that is really our design process in NDF. And after we've done that, we hit the ground running and we put aside and we start executing what we've done and worked on for maybe 2 weeks or more. And that is our design process.